Yes, of course, Night. Coming up next. Ay, abangan mo, Scorpionatics ha. Kakantayin ko yung Night. Oo. Sige, sige, gusto mo ngayon na. Gusto mo ngayon na. Matagal ko na kasing hindi kinakanta yan eh. Matagal ko na hindi kinakanta. Sir Migs, want you enjoy your life na nagka-jam na po tayo. Talaga? Nagka-jam na po tayo? Really? Now na daw. Sige, now na. Sige, matagal ko na hindi nakakanta yan. Matagal ko na hindi nakakanta yan, Knife na yan. Pero isa yan sa mga mahirap kantahin. Baka akala nyo, yung knife na yan, pa-knife lang yan. Pero ang hirap anuhin yan ha. Ang hirap kantahin. Baka akala nyo, simple lang yan. Sandali lang guys, hanapin ko lang.
Champions in life. Bring out the champion with Milo.
Hanapin natin guys ha. Sandali lang. Nawala. Sandali lang guys ha. Wala yun hanapin ko lang. Rockwell pala kumanta ng Knife. Rockwell. Sandali. Meron pala ring Tagalog version to. Sige, try natin guys ha. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Knife by the Rockwell. Lalim ng hugot ng song na yan. Malalim daw ang hugot ng song na to, Knife. Matagal ko na hindi kinakanta to guys. Hindi ko nga alam kung kaya kong kantahin to eh. You touch my life with your softness in the night. My wish was your command until you ran out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got a chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. And I got like a knife. How will I ever heal? And I'm so deeply wounded. And I got like a knife. You cut away the heart and all my life. Woo! When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friends. I wonder if they know it's just to show. As I'm on the stage, day and night I go through my charades, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? And I cuts like a knife. How will I ever cut away the heart and all my life now. No, I tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. Woo! Grabe naman. Sino ba nag-request niya? Grabe nag-request niya na. Masakit yan ha.